Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Coin in the trachea versus that of the coin in the esophagus. So in terms of the esophagus, let's just compare the AP view first. So under AP view, in case of the esophagus, the coin, it appears circular. In case of the esophagus, it appears circular, and in case of trachea, it appears slit-like. So slit-like appearance is seen. Now moving on to the lateral view. In case of the lateral view, the esophagus, the coin appears slit-like. So lateral view of the esophagus, it will appear slit-like, whereas the trachea, in case of lateral view, it will appear circular. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.